Some amazing interesting facts. 1. Chewing gum burns about 11 calories per hour. 2. If you hold back a sneeze, your brain or neck vein bursts. It can and you can die. 3. Insects cannot feel pain. 4. Human thug bone is stronger than concrete. 5. Lullbags can live for several weeks because their brain is in the body instead of the head. They die due to lack of food. 6. A bee has to visit 2 million flowers to produce 1 pound of honey. 7. Our eyes remain the same from birth to death, while our ears and nose grow throughout life. 8. In your lifetime, you produce enough saliva to fill 2 swimming pools. 9. You look 1% younger in the evening than in the morning. 10. Elephants are the only mammals that cannot jump.